Top 25 developer productivity interview questions and answers. Developer productivity is crucial for building efficient, scalable, and high-quality software. In this guide, we explore 25 important interview questions and answers designed to assess how developers optimize productivity effectively. 1. What does developer productivity mean to you? Developer productivity refers to how efficiently a developer converts ideas into functional, maintainable software. It involves code quality, time management, collaboration, and minimizing blockers. Measuring productivity isn't just about speed. It includes understanding, innovation, and long-term sustainability. Effective developers focus on delivering impactful results, using tools and automation to enhance efficiency while maintaining high code standards and ensuring that the development process remains streamlined and transparent for the entire team's success. 2. How do you measure developer productivity? Measuring developer productivity goes beyond counting lines of code or completed tasks. It includes metrics like code quality, cycle time, bug frequency, and team velocity. Peer reviews, automated testing success rates, and feedback loops also contribute valuable insights. The focus should be on outcomes and impact rather than raw output. High productivity means delivering reliable, maintainable features efficiently while collaborating effectively. It's about balancing speed with precision and consistently improving development processes over time. 3. What tools do you use to increase developer productivity? Common productivity tools include Visual Studio Code, Git, Docker, and project management platforms like Jira or Trello. For collaboration, Slack and GitHub streamline communication and version control. CI/CD tools such as Jenkins or GitHub Actions automate repetitive tasks. Developers often use extensions like Prettier or ESLint for cleaner code. These tools minimize manual effort, reduce context switching, and ensure consistent workflows, allowing developers to focus more on solving complex problems efficiently while maintaining overall project quality and speed. 4. How do you prioritize tasks during development? Task prioritization begins with understanding project goals and deadlines. Developers typically use frameworks like Agile or Scrum to manage priorities efficiently. Critical tasks that unblock others are handled first, followed by high-impact items. Tools like Kanban boards help visualize workflows and manage dependencies. Regular stand-up meetings ensure alignment and quick adjustments. The key is balancing urgency with importance to maintain steady progress and prevent burnout, while consistently delivering high-value results that align with the overall project objectives. 5. How do you handle distractions while working? Distractions are minimized through structured work habits. Developers often use focus techniques like the Pomodoro method or block notifications during coding sessions. Organizing the workspace and maintaining task lists improve concentration. Using noise-canceling headphones or instrumental music can also help maintain flow. Setting clear priorities and communicating availability prevents interruptions. Productivity increases when developers manage their time, avoid multitasking, and create a focused environment that supports deep work and sustained attention on essential development tasks. 6. How do you ensure code quality without reducing productivity? Maintaining code quality without sacrificing productivity requires balance. Implementing automated testing, linting, and continuous integration ensures issues are caught early. Code reviews promote shared learning and maintain standards. Writing modular, readable code reduces technical debt, saving future time. Developers should adopt consistent naming conventions and documentation practices. By integrating quality assurance seamlessly into workflows, productivity improves naturally as fewer bugs and cleaner architecture lead to faster iterations and long-term project stability with minimal rework or maintenance. 7. How do you manage your time when working on multiple projects? Managing multiple projects involves effective planning and prioritization. Developers use project management tools like Asana or Notion to track progress and deadlines. Setting realistic milestones, time blocking, and focusing on one task at a time improve efficiency. Regular communication with stakeholders prevents overlap or conflicts. Automating repetitive tasks also saves valuable time. Successful developers allocate effort based on project impact, ensuring steady progress across all projects while maintaining high-quality output and avoiding unnecessary context switching. 8. What role does automation play in developer productivity? Automation significantly boosts productivity by eliminating repetitive, error-prone tasks. Developers use automation for testing, deployment, builds, and code formatting. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD. Pipelines ensure consistent delivery and quick feedback loops. Automated tools also streamline code reviews and dependency management. This allows developers to focus on problem solving and innovation rather than manual setup or debugging. Effective automation accelerates release cycles, enhances accuracy, and supports scalability, contributing to an efficient, predictable, and sustainable development workflow. 9. How do you maintain motivation during long projects? Staying motivated requires setting achievable milestones and celebrating small wins. Breaking large projects into manageable tasks maintains momentum. Regular progress reviews help visualize accomplishments. Developers often refresh focus by learning new techniques or optimizing workflows. Collaboration and peer support foster engagement. Clear communication with stakeholders ensures purpose alignment. Balancing work with rest and continuous self-improvement sustains enthusiasm. Ultimately, consistent motivation arises from understanding the project's impact and seeing tangible results from ongoing efforts and innovation. 10. What's the importance of continuous learning for developer productivity? Continuous learning keeps developers updated with emerging technologies and best practices, enhancing efficiency and problem-solving ability. Learning new frameworks, tools, or languages improves workflow adaptability and code quality. Participating in online courses, reading documentation, and contributing to open source keeps skills sharp. This growth mindset minimizes bottlenecks and technical debt. Productivity rises as developers identify better solutions faster and streamline processes, maintaining high standards in evolving environments through constant self-improvement and industry awareness. 11. How do you handle burnout or fatigue during development? Preventing burnout requires maintaining work-life balance, taking breaks, and setting realistic goals. Developers benefit from scheduling downtime, exercising, and practicing mindfulness. Prioritizing high-value tasks and delegating when possible reduces stress. Regular communication with managers about workload ensures sustainable pacing. Adopting time management methods like Pomodoro prevents exhaustion. Recognizing burnout signs early allows intervention before productivity drops. A healthy balance of focus and rest fosters creativity, resilience, and long-term development effectiveness without compromising mental or physical well-being. 12. What are the biggest productivity blockers for developers? Common blockers include unclear requirements, technical debt, poor communication, and lack of proper tools. Frequent context switching, inefficient meetings, and unoptimized workflows also drain time. Inconsistent coding standards create confusion. Delayed feedback loops hinder progress and morale. Developers improve productivity by clarifying expectations early, documenting processes, and automating routine tasks. Building a supportive culture where issues are quickly addressed ensures smoother collaboration and minimizes obstacles that slow down development cycles or impact project delivery. 13. How do code reviews improve developer productivity? Code reviews enhance productivity by catching errors early, improving code consistency, and encouraging knowledge sharing. They reduce bugs, simplify maintenance, and foster team learning. Developers gain valuable feedback that boosts coding skills and efficiency. Regular reviews ensure adherence to best practices and prevent technical debt. This process strengthens collaboration, increases project quality, and saves time spent debugging later. Effective code reviews create a culture of continuous improvement, leading to sustainable, high-quality development productivity across teams. 14. How do you handle tight deadlines without sacrificing quality? Managing tight deadlines involves prioritizing critical features, setting clear goals, and avoiding unnecessary scope expansion. Developers focus on core functionality first, using MVP, minimum viable product, strategies. Automation and efficient coding practices save time. Communication with stakeholders ensures expectations remain realistic. Testing and review processes must be maintained, even if simplified. Time management and teamwork are key. Delegating effectively and avoiding distractions help maintain quality output despite challenging deadlines, ensuring long-term trust and consistent project success. 15. How do you stay organized during complex development projects? Organization in complex projects depends on structured planning, version control, and proper documentation. Developers use agile boards or task trackers to monitor progress. Maintaining consistent naming conventions and modular coding simplifies collaboration. Regular sync meetings and clear communication prevent confusion. Using branch management and Git ensures safe, traceable code changes. Developers also rely on note-taking and time-blocking techniques. These habits collectively enhance efficiency, reduce rework, and maintain clarity across multiple components or large-scale development efforts. 16. How do you balance speed and quality in software development? Balancing speed and quality requires strategic planning and process discipline. Developers adopt agile principles to deliver small, high-quality increments efficiently. Automation reduces manual errors and speeds up delivery. Implementing code reviews, testing pipelines, and clear documentation ensures stability. It's essential to avoid shortcuts that create technical debt. By focusing on maintainability and long-term impact rather than immediate output, developers achieve optimal productivity that sustains both rapid progress and consistent software reliability over time. 17. What metrics do you track to evaluate development productivity? Key metrics include cycle time, lead time, code review turnaround, and defect rates. Measuring deployment frequency and mean time to recovery indicates efficiency. Developer satisfaction and collaboration quality are also valuable indicators. These metrics help identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. The goal isn't micromanagement, but understanding trends that affect workflow. Balancing quantitative and qualitative insights ensures developers maintain both high speed and exceptional quality, aligning productivity with overall team performance and business outcomes. 18. How do you reduce context switching during work? Reducing context switching involves batching similar tasks, using focus blocks, and minimizing unnecessary meetings. Developers group related work to stay mentally aligned. Disabling notifications and using Do Not Disturb modes prevent interruptions. Task management tools help plan work efficiently. Clear daily priorities ensure focus on high-impact activities. Fewer transitions between tools or projects allow for deeper concentration, faster problem-solving, and better overall code quality, leading to significant productivity improvements throughout the development process. 19. How does pair programming affect productivity? Pair programming boosts productivity through collaboration and real-time feedback. Two developers working together produce cleaner code and reduce bugs. It enhances knowledge sharing and speeds up onboarding. While it may seem time-consuming initially, it prevents rework and fosters continuous learning. The practice encourages accountability, improves communication, and increases confidence in code quality. Pair programming leads to more maintainable and efficient solutions, strengthening team cohesion and accelerating long-term productivity by combining diverse perspectives in problem-solving. 20. How do you manage technical debt to maintain productivity? Managing technical debt involves regularly refactoring code, documenting shortcuts, and planning debt reduction cycles. Ignoring debt slows future progress and increases bugs. Developers prioritize addressing high-impact issues first. Automated testing ensures new code doesn't worsen the problem. Transparent communication with stakeholders helps balance new features and maintenance work. Periodic code audits prevent hidden inefficiencies. Keeping technical debt manageable improves productivity by ensuring the code base remains clean, scalable, and easy to enhance without unnecessary complexity. 21. How do you approach debugging efficiently? Efficient debugging starts with reproducing the issue consistently. Developers use logging, breakpoints, and error tracing tools to locate root causes. Focusing on one problem at a time avoids confusion. Documenting bugs helps prevent recurrence. Automated tests can verify fixes. Understanding code dependencies accelerates resolution. Developers should maintain a calm, analytical mindset and avoid assumptions. Structured debugging reduces wasted time and ensures quicker delivery. improving both confidence and overall productivity throughout the development lifecycle. 22. How does communication impact developer productivity? Effective communication ensures clarity, reduces rework, and prevents misunderstandings. Developers rely on concise documentation, regular stand-ups, and collaboration tools to stay aligned. Clear communication with stakeholders eliminates ambiguity about goals and deadlines. It fosters trust and improves team coordination. Miscommunication can cause costly errors and delays, whereas transparent dialogue encourages accountability and smoother workflows. Strong communication builds an environment of shared ownership, directly improving productivity by streamlining collaboration and reducing unnecessary confusion. 23. How do you keep your development environment optimized? An optimized development environment minimizes friction. Developers customize IDs, automate builds, and use fast hardware. Regular cleanup of dependencies and configuration management prevents slowdowns. Using environment managers like Docker ensures consistency across systems. Keyboard shortcuts and scripting save time on repetitive actions. A clean, responsive setup reduces frustration and accelerates coding efficiency. Frequent updates to tools and plugins maintain performance. Developers who optimize their workspace experience smoother workflows and significantly higher productivity levels daily. 24. How do you adapt to changing requirements without losing productivity? Adapting to change requires flexibility and a robust process. Developers use agile practices to accommodate evolving requirements smoothly. Maintaining modular architecture allows easy adjustments. Clear communication with stakeholders ensures understanding of priorities. Automated testing and CI/CD pipelines help validate changes quickly. Developers document modifications for traceability. Staying organized and open to feedback prevents confusion. Adaptability enhances productivity by allowing teams to handle shifts efficiently while maintaining stability, code quality, and forward project momentum. 25. How do you foster a productive team environment? A productive team environment thrives on trust, collaboration, and clear communication. Encouraging open feedback and recognizing achievements builds morale. Regular retrospectives identify process improvements. Shared goals ensure unity and focus. Providing the right tools, training, and support removes obstacles. Developers should promote inclusivity and empathy, fostering mutual respect. When everyone feels valued and aligned, creativity and efficiency increase, resulting in higher quality output, faster delivery, and a positive, growth-oriented work culture overall. Developer productivity isn't just about speed, it's about smart processes, teamwork, and balance. By mastering these principles, developers and teams can consistently deliver high-quality results efficiently and sustainably.